With hair freshly banked by Miss Ethyl Alcohol. Please welcome to the stage. What's your friend's name?
That's not Twiggy.
Twiggy and M.
That is Twiggy.
Twiggy and M.
It's like an M&M, but totally
M&M by Twiggy and M.
Are you ready to go? Alright, you guys, welcome Twiggy and M.
While riding in my Cadillac,
No, it's not.
what to my surprise, a little Nash Rambler was following me about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me
That's
up
cute.
as he kept on tooting his horn. I showed him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shake, but the little Nash Rambler stayed right behind. He still had on his brake. He must have thought his car had more guts as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him